Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2023 SEAT Arona FR Edition. This car comes with the 1 litre petrol engine and the automatic gearbox, which is ULEZ compliant, producing 108 brake horsepower and returning up to 46 miles to the gallon. The insurance group is 12 and this is a one owner vehicle, having covered just over 37,000 miles and comes with full service history from SEAT. This particular colour is the metallic sapphire blue and also comes with the black roof. And the paintwork looks in great condition for the age and mileage of the car. As we have a look inside, being the FR Edition, you've got the sports seats there with the red stitching and the leather outer edges. And this also matches the leather steering wheel as well. There's 2 cup holders in the centre for the front passengers. And then onto the dashboard, you have your multimedia screen in the centre for your Apple Carplay, DAB radio and Bluetooth. A few other features like I mentioned, the car also has climate control, cruise control on the left hand side of the steering wheel, automatic headlights and wipers, and then on the driver's door card you then have your electric mirror and full window controls. For a small SUV, the Arona has a good amount of legroom and headroom in the back there, so ideal if you're getting children in and out of car seats, for example. The rear bench has 3 individual seat belts, and rear passengers also have the pockets in the back of the front seats as well. Opening the tailgate reveals a good sized boot there, nice and square and deep, with the rear seats that can be folded flat and the parcel shelf that's still in place. The boot floor is also height adjustable, so you can increase it if you wish. And below that, you've also got some extra storage there, as well as your tyre inflator kit. Externally, the car comes with LED headlights, the 18-inch diamond cut alloy wheels, and also then rear parking sensors. And the car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So if you have any questions, or if you'd like to book a test drive, then please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.